Good morning, Pat mates. So we are now in Coldingham. It is 8:38 AM on a Friday morning, and we're heading to North Berwick today. We've stayed in this lovely farmhouse here for the last few nights, got a bit of rest. We've got about 50 kilometres to do today. So yeah, not much else to report. Let's get into it. This morning's route is about 50k. The first 10 are pretty much all uphill. So it's going to be a slow first 10k, and then it's pretty easy going after that, I believe. So we're just going to take it easy for 10k. Taco might have to do a bit of walking for that. But we're in no rush. We've got accommodation tonight at we've got to be there about 6:30. It's only like nearly 9 now. So yeah, let's get up these big hills. Well, they're not big, they're not particularly steep, they're just long. Just passing through a bit of a wind farm, and they're not short of bloody wind, I tell you. It's very fresh this morning, very windy. My nose is dripping. I probably need to put a snood on, really. It's not cold as such, it's just a nip in the wind. I'd be a lot more comfortable if I just stopped, put some bloody gloves or a snood on, but that'd be far too easy. So I'll be going steadily uphill. I've got about a couple more kilometres of this incline to do, and then I think I'll stop and I'll put some layers on. Well, put some gloves on for sure. So yeah, here's a wind farm, farming wind. You saw it here first. Drone Hill Wind Farm it's called. And yeah, it's definitely on a hill, I can confirm that. We're just on a 10-kilometre climb. I think we're at the end of it. It looks like we're heading down there. It looks like a nuclear power station down there. So I've just put an extra layer on Taco. It's pretty nippy today. Bloody hell. Winds. So I'm going to put a snood and some gloves on. I just thought I'd put Taco's raincoat on just to give her an extra layer. I think she's pretty cold, bless her little heart. But yeah, we just stopped at the top of the hill. So let's get down there and let's get to it. What do we say, Taco? Where are we going? Right, we're set, gloves, snood, coat, let's go. Whoa. Big hill now, Taco, you're going to get off. We're back on the A1. Thankfully this time though, there's a cycle path on the way, alongside rather. And there's that power station that we saw at the top of the hill, where we got our gloves and snood on. 20 kilometres in now. And going well, battery's alright, and yeah, nice run. Just be nicer when we're away from this busy road. Let's get back to it. Crazy, isn't it? Industry like this. And all the years of industrial advancement. How we process materials that are in the land. Just raping the earth of its resources. It's like they've quarried here, they've filled it in and made a man-made kind of reservoir, which is nice. Once they've finished raping the earth of its resources, they give the earth, wildlife back its land. Morning. Hello, you alright?
I can see you in the back there. By the coastline, where the sea meets the sky, we're running out of daylight, so meet me by the coastline. And hurry.
So we just stopped up at White Sand Beach. God, I took this little detour because I needed the toilet, and I thought there'd be a toilet. Thank Lord there was a toilet block down there. I don't know what it is about riding, but I don't know if it's the ergonomics, how you're sitting, but when you need to go, you need to go. And that's the second time I've almost been caught out. I don't know, maybe that's just my age. I'm going to start shitting myself in my old age, but who knows. But we made it. Thankfully no accidents. Woo. Down there on White Sand Beach. Some chap came up to me, he started, bless his heart, he'd come over and saw the trike and chatting. Saw the dog, and then he started welling up, started talking and crying. And he goes, "Oh, I'm so sorry, he's just lost his dog, bless him. I just don't want to think about that when that, you know, it doesn't bear thinking about. The thought of not having Taco around is unbearable thought." So now I'm just riding back up to rejoin my route, and this is actually the site of the Battle of Dunbar in 1650. I don't have much context for you because there is a monument here. And it sounds quite this is a pretty sad story. This was obviously the English and the Scottish fighting back in 1650 on this site, just here, which now they've dug up as a quarry. I don't believe that that's a natural lake. I think it's a quarry lake. So to commemorate the death of these soldiers, they dug the fucking place up. Anyway, the story goes that it was on this spot that there isn't a number that Dunbar soldiers were taken prisoner, assumed, well, by the English. And sadly their remains were discovered in a mass grave at Durham Cathedral. And they were laid to rest actually at the cathedral back in May 2018. And that's as much context as I've got. That's as much as this solitary stone gives me. And I'm sure there'll be more information online, but yeah. Sad story. And I guess the Scottish borders, East Lothian, where I am now, will be littered with battle sites from back in those days. Scotland's Gulf Coast Road, host to the Scottish Open. Isn't what are we on now? 1st of August today. Isn't Trump somewhere in this area today? This week? Okay then. Is that deep? Too deep for me? Jesus. Doesn't look too deep. Take the trigger off. Let's see how deep it is. There's a bridge up there, and I don't think I think I'm too wide to get over that. This is literally ankle deep all the way through. There's a little bit of a current. And obviously it's a little bit slippery because it's moss. I think if we go slow, it'll be alright. That's the deepest bit, and there's a divot there. So this is the deepest bit where it's just over ankle deep, and the battery's definitely higher than that. So it's just this tiny bit here. I've got to come through there, and that's probably where the strongest current is, which is probably why that's the most eroded part. We'll get Taco off, I think. She can have a run through, and we'll go slow. Quite slippery on bare foot, that's for sure. And these tyres might not cope very well, but if I go slow I can walk it back out. Right, you gonna get off a bit? Tic tac, sorry. You've been wanting to get in the water all day, haven't you? Right, over to the other camera, I think. Yes! Never in out. Excuse my language. Never in doubt. Never in doubt. Oh. But what is in doubt is that my other shoe has fell off in the river. Oh no. Oh shit. So we got through the ford, and I put my shoes on the back and one's fell in the river, and that's probably gone forever now. Oh shit. Yep, I can see it floating down there. Oh, I think that's gone. Damn. Ah. Hello.
Holidays.
Yeah, well, I'm riding around the coastline. I've just put my shoes off to get through there, and one's fell off.
Eh?
One of my shoes.
Is it floated in the road?
God.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh no. I'm gonna have to buy a new pair of shoes now at the next town.
You just pedaling a bike with your bare feet.
No. Ah. I don't suppose there's a bank anywhere either, is there?
Yeah, what are we doing there? They washed a car down a few years ago.
Washed what down?
A car went down with kids in it, drowned.
Oh no.
Right across the water there.
What was it? Deep?
Aye. I think they Go back the way through the beach and
Oh, well.
a bit of another style on the beach.
It's a good story, isn't it?
Aye. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Lincolnshire originally, but I've ridden from West Cumbria and did the coast to coast, and now I'm riding the whole UK coastline with no shoes apparently.
Got a back there now, aye?
Yeah. I'll just have a quick look over the bridge and I'll get out your way.
Aye, no problem.
Right, it's caught. It's actually caught on a branch.
How far down?
Not too far. I'll get out your way and I'll wade down. I'll wade down and try and get it. It's literally in the middle of the river. I'll have a look. Right, here's some YouTube content. I don't know how I'm going to get down there though, without falling in. I haven't got my phone or anything valuable. I think it's going to be too deep. I just think this is this is silly. Let me go back to the drawing board. I think it's probably a new pair of shoes in North Berwick. Unbelievable. We'll see. We will see. I'll come back to you on the plan. Still no plan. I'm just gonna see if the shoe's still there first. Yeah, it is. I can see it. But the bank's so overgrown. I could get in there. Can you see it? Just down there. I don't think there's any safe way other than, well, I can go through there, but oh my god, comedy gold. Right, let's throw the towel in on that. My sock was in it as well, so I've only got one sock now. 10 kilometres barefoot on a bloody bike. Just don't know any other way of getting to it. Let's have a look down here without getting stung and scratched to bits. Yeah, look at it, it's overgrown. There's absolutely no way. There's a little path here. Yeah, look at this. If I can get down there, that's where I need to be. I can see the branch. I'm just going to get stung and ripped to shreds if I try and get through there. Let's give up. We're going to roll into North Berwick with no shoes. Oh, goodness me. Right. Do I just take my kit off and get in there and go get it? Is it worth it? Because if I fall and hurt myself and injure myself, it's can't see how deep it is. It's very slippery, rocky. The bloke says what we need is a decent dog that will retrieve it. Right, let's suck it off. Didn't really want to buy a new pair of shoes, but it looks like I've got no choice. But there you go. Thought we were big and clever crossing the ford. Taking my shoes off, wading in, checking the depth, being all nomadic. And then, oh, hold on. Hold on. I mean, I don't know if this... Nah. Still too deep and too unpredictable. Yeah, I thought I was big and clever, didn't I? And I nailed it. But somehow, I don't know how one of the shoes fell off, because they're in there. Unless I left one on the side here, and in all the excitement just forgot to put it back in, put it in the top. Anyway. Those of you that have been following me since the start will know, on the first day of this trip I lost my flip-flops off the back of the trike. Well, I lost one flip-flop off the back of the trike, and now I've lost one shoe off the back of the trike. Couldn't make it up. But thankfully we've got 9 kilometres to North Berwick. We'll find somewhere where I can buy some shoes. Fuck a duck. Right. Still here. No shoes. A couple of kilometres outside North Berwick. That big old prominent hill there is called the Law. Law in old Scottish, is it Celtic? Means hill. You can see people on top of there. There's a bit of a monument up there, or a sculpture of some sort. And yeah, my mission is to find some shoes and to get into the town. There's one sports shop there, very expensive, but I don't know what choice I've got. I guess there might be charity shops, but you know, it's going to be like a needle in a haystack, isn't it? Finding something for me. Anyway, I give you the Law, overlooking North Berwick and the North Sea. Right, we've found it. We've made North Berwick and we've found a sports shop. We're going to see if there's any shoes in here for me. I really don't want to spend this money. There's not a lot in here, other options. But nice little town.
Kind of nice and lightweight because you're cycling. Or
Yeah.
more robust.
Something lightweight, preferably.
Try and find you something
Do you know, on the first day I did this, I lost my flip-flops on the back.
No, I didn't.
And now, but I didn't lose both, I lost one.
What's 50?
50 quid will do. Well, yeah, what do they look like?
Well, it'd be nice and soft options for you.
Well, they'll be better than barefoot, eh? They're fine. Yeah. Yeah. Can I need some socks as well, because my socks went with them.
What are you
Well, I've
wanting?
got socks in my bag, but I just need a pair for now, like,
Do
just
you want the little ones?
have you got, you don't sell them in singles.
I could give you really girly golf socks and
Have you got,
singles.
what are these singlet thing, run socklets?
They're still
Oh,
pairs though, like they're still double.
okay.
They're proper like intense running socks.
What are your cheapest socks? Because I've got socks in my bag, it's just for now.
Probably the 3 pairs
What are those?
for 9.
What's that?
Um,
Pro sleeve sock.
no, that's not even a sock. That's just because
Oh.
you can sleeve it. £6, but they're huge. You don't want them. 3-pack's probably your cheapest.
Right. Okay.
So where are you headed for? What's your
I'm doing the
actual
whole
goal?
coast.
Are you?
I've got somewhere. I was inundated with somewhere to stay tonight here.
I've seen that on the Facebook. And
Yeah,
then
I even offered me a bed at the fire station.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
But
Black. No black socks.
yeah, fine.
So where did you end up going for?
I don't know. Some strangers.
All right, cool.
I've decided to finish this whole UK coastline tour barefoot. It makes sense. Let's just add an extra element to this challenge. It's gonna hurt, but it already hurts. I'm only kidding. I got some trainers. So we're gonna go down the harbour now, and apparently there's a little festival on down here. Just gonna go chill out and wait to hear from my host tonight. Oh, thank you, darling. I love you too. Just rolled into North Berwick Harbour. We're just a lobster shack.
Little mix for you.
Oh, top man.
So,
Just
yeah,
ordered some
just,
chips and
some forks there. So the big lump within all that will be the lobster, and then the rest is all crab.
right.
So
Okay.
it's just a little mix of what we do.
Oh, is this your
normally
business?
goes in the brioche roll. It's not. No.
Oh,
I'm
right.
just the head chef.
Oh, nice. Oh, thank you.
No.
Appreciate it.
That's great. What charity?
So last year I was in a bad accident, and the Great North Fair ambulance saved my life.
Yeah.
To them and
good.
the RVI in Newcastle, and a couple of burns charities.
Okay.
So I got 40% burns, so legs, hands, and face.
Oh, geez.
Yeah,
Okay.
but appreciate that. Bit of lobster and crab. Right, where are we going to sit?
There you are, buddy. I'll take the little bit. And then you got food.
I'm not going. I'll put it over here, Taco. Got here at the right time. There's a queue now. Put this here. Actually, bloody seagulls are. Lobster. Easy little spot.
Right, put in these stairs. Right?
Delicious.
Shoes up. Right, come away, put in the stairs in the shoe.